Welcome back. Now that you're able to understand voice typing and voice clicking, you should be able to successfully use the find and replace command. And so in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to use our voice in order to use the command to find a word inside of the document. And so we'll start the process by turning on the mic, and then we'll say press Alt-H. Press Alt-H. Press Alt-R. Customers. Press Tab. Clients. Click Replace All. Click OK. Click Close. And so you've now seen how to use the find and replace with your voice so that you can find any word inside of your document without having to use your mouse. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.